my name is Sam Holland, I'm a food influencer, and this is my kitchen. I chose Wren because I've always needed a kitchen studio, and I really like the values of Wren itself. I like how the fact that the kitchen's all built in the UK. The showroom I went to was the one in Acton. I took my mum with me because there's no kind of interior decorating job that happens in the Holland household without mum's approval, and I knew that she'd be the right lady for the job. We already had a design before I went to the showroom, but it was so important to go to the showroom to actually see the colours in the flesh. My designer James was a really nice guy and really helpful in this process. Although we were really happy with the design to begin with, having left the showroom we had a better design, so I'm really pleased that we took the time to see James and see what kitchens you've made in the past and kind of take little bits of inspiration from each one. So this is a studio kitchen, so it's only used for my videos. Having started making videos in a normal kitchen, it can get frustrating with people coming in and out. So I've had many arguments with my mum and dad trying to come in for a cup of tea whilst I've been filming. Then I've got my office over there to do all my editing, which is good. So this is kind of like my office space. For me, the installation process was my favourite bit. Paul was the guy who installed the kitchen. He was a really nice guy and it took about a week to install, and he did an absolutely fantastic job. One of my favourite features is definitely the oven. It's an F oven and it comes loaded with all these program settings. So even if you're not an experienced chef, all the settings are pre-installed in there, so it makes your life so much easier. The reaction online has been really positive. People have really liked the kitchen, and I think the quality of my videos has really improved as well. Also, in terms of my videos, I want to get into more longer form content, so having the hob on the island, I can have the cameras over there and they can film me and a guest hopefully cooking some really nice food. The people who mean most to me is my family, so the day it was finished, I actually had a Magnum champagne bottle that was given to me, and I needed an excuse to use it, and this seemed to be the perfect one. And my mum and dad came over, my girlfriend was here, my brothers were here, and they loved it as well. They, Tom did say, "Oh, that looks like my kitchen." I think it's just the kitchen I've always wanted, really. I mean, I'm really pleased with how it looks. It's exactly how it looked in the design. I would 100% use Wren again. From James, who designed the kitchen, to Paul, who installed it, I really enjoyed working with everyone from different departments. They really delivered an amazing kitchen and, gave me a kitchen that I'm really, really proud of.